Here in Bitpos, you make beauty and sophistication meets with technology po. A sanctuary of style, self-care, and convenience. And in this video, ipapakita ko kung paano gamitin ang ating Bitpos MOT kit in a salon setup with attendant recording and customer tagging po. So I'll show you how. I have here my table po. Tap lang po natin yung table. Tap lang po natin yung customize. Input the name of the attendant. Say for example, Rose. And then tap lang po natin yung save. Next, open that attendant table po, and if you want to record customer po, tap the 3-line icon po and input customer name, say for example, Rhea po, and then tap lang po natin yung send. Automatically, the customer will get recorded, and if they pay, tender sales lang tayo, input the pera, tap OK, and automatically po yung ating Bluetooth printer ay magpiprint. And this is our sample printout po. And in this printout, we have our customer name on top.